Hello and welcome to the day two of India Global Education and Skill Summit, hosted by the Government of Telangana Collegiate Education and Technical Education Department and organized by Indie Global Media Network. The basic idea is to engage powerful minds and empower transformation in the space of education and skill. We had an amazing inaugural session with participation from Secretary MSDE, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Government of India, All India Council of Technical Education, Government of India, and also state representation from Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, and Haryana. Right now, we are joined by a senior banking professional from the leading ICICI bank, and they are Mr. Ravinder Ponugotu, who is the regional head for TASC ICICI Bank, Telangana. Thank you very much, Mr. Ravinder, for joining us.
Thank you, Sudhir Garu, and good afternoon, very good afternoon to all the dignitaries online and all the educationists who are joining this program. Uh, at education space, we would like to present what is the participation of ICICI Bank in terms of partnering with the different education institutes or education universities, primary school, middle school level. What are the digital solutions as a bank we are providing during this COVID time? How, as a bank, we are partnering with to overcome this challenge? And what are the developments in this sector? I would like to brief for next couple of minutes.
Yeah, thank you. We are joined by several delegates virtually from across the globe and especially from India. Those who are from the space of education, teaching faculty, students, and also those who are the leaders from the technology sector. So, with this, I would hand over the session to Mr. Ravinder Ponugotu, who is the regional head TASC ICICI Bank.
Yeah, very good afternoon to once again. ICICI Bank since 1955 is partnering with the development of financial institutions. As a bank, we are associated with World Bank for various initiatives of World Bank with the Government of India. And also ICICI Bank is a partner in national growth in development of products with NPCI and also partnering with the GST for tax online collection. And ICICI Bank's participation from right from the inception of NSE as the first exchange, electronic exchange. So these are the various steps the bank has been participating from over the years, and the key strength of the bank being the technologically backed with the banking solutions to the customers. And again, a couple of serving at government and stakeholders. ICICI Bank is an accredited bank for the Civil Aviation Ministry of Civil Aviation, and as a bank, tax collection to 15 states, and we are at very strong in tax collecting, commercial tax, professional tax, and as a top ranked bank in the PFMS out of all the 55 schemes in the Pan India, which is sponsored by central government in 25 states. ICICI Bank is one of the leading partner in partnering in the PFMS transaction, and also ICICI Bank is partnering in the government JAM HM account, NHA account, and even in the FASTag. Seen the ICICI Bank is one of the pioneer in providing this electronic toll collection. So these are the key important initiatives as a bank at government level. And as a bank, ICICI Bank is a differentiator in terms of it is kind from last 3 years domestically systematic bank, and it's a leading internet banking solution provider with a double layered security and also cyber security. And as a bank, we have 250 plus API integrations as of those, and this makes a comprehensive safe banking as a ICICI Bank stack. And also as a bank, we are partnering with ISO 9001 in collaborations with various projects of different governments of India. In terms of technology leadership, when you look at in terms of IB awards, ICICI Bank is the best technological bank. In terms of IBS Intelligence Global French Awards, most innovative API-based offerings, Global Finance Best Consumer Digital Bank, When you look at again the Assets Asian Awards, the most innovative in data analytics. So these are some of the awards what ICICI Bank got in 2019. When you look at the bank's contribution in terms of national institutes, as a bank, ICICI Bank is tied up with various central universities of the government of India, like the Central University of Kashmir, Central University of Gujarat, Central University of Hyderabad, Haryana, Tripura. Not only central universities, but we are also strongly providing solutions for most of the IIMs and also IITs. So IIM Udaipur or Ranchi are in terms of Kotak, Lucknow, Rohtak, where our technological solutions in terms of both collections and the payments, which are helping these institutes with make seamless transactions happening for this education ecosystem. So when you look at the primarily now in this COVID times as a bank, we are providing a complete digital banking stack or ICICI stack for the digital ecosystem for student ecosystem. Right from the account opening process, right from the onboarding of the account opening in terms of digital KYC or the video KYC or in terms of the reports what we are providing to the institutes or digital networking or in terms of our 250 plus API integrations. So it is a complete seamless process. As a bank, we are ensuring that totally end to end we are going to serve the complete ecosystem of maybe the university or maybe high school or maybe primary school, wherever the requirement is there. So without making the contact, physical contact, the bank is enabling that complete 360 degrees banking solution is provided to the any institute in under the education ecosystem. So this is about the digital stack of ICICI Bank. And when you look at the typical requirements, banking requirements of education institutions, right from the fee collection, from the investments to the staff or working capital for education institution, or in terms of payments of their salary payments, or providing insurance solutions to the institute. So we are pioneering in providing the both online and offline collections, and we have also integrated invoices management, web integration, and mobile integration. When we look at the payment part, ICICI is very strong at providing the valid payments. It is integrated with 50 type of things and UPI payment also QR payments. And we are good at positioning additional services like EMI collections through POS machines, and also it will be helpful for the subscriptions of any generals at the education ecosystem or institute level. In terms of digital collection, again, ICICI Bank helps you to provide online billing system, online real-time collection, or payment mode like IMPS payment or Aadhaar payment or Aadhaar-based payment system. Additionally, which will be helping the instant payment conversion or in terms of reconciliation of reports at a standard level. So when you take a typical education institute in terms of both providing the complete collection solutions like IMPS or like our EMI payment national automated clearing house, or in terms of providing a POS machine, or in terms of providing a UPI solution where seamless and contactless solutions where fee can be collected at a single shot. So as a bank, the strength of the bank being the very strong technologically adaptive to the customer in terms of providing CSF schemes, both in terms of public finance management and as per the government India, the maximum number of transactions currently under 55 schemes ICICI Bank is doing both all the three modes of collection through PFMS, both offline, online, and even the digital signature play. Again, the strength being that we have a dedicated 24/7 call center, instant access, and we have a online printing check system, trade online. These are the services which will be provided to the institutes as per the requirement of the institutes. So in terms of collection, when we have a government of complete collection solution, as a bank also, we are very strong in providing the payment solution, both in terms of the vendor payment or in terms of salary payment, or whatever the payments what the institute do in terms of both their workflow, it can be integrated, and we have complete 250 plus API integrations based upon the technological superiority of the institute. It can be uploaded as per the requirement and customized by providing this payment solutions. So we are active on all the payment mode in terms of IMPS or NACH or bulk NEFT or online check printing system, and online payment upload file also is available currently with to all the institutes as per the requirement of the institute. So not only providing both collection solution or payment solutions, but as a bank, ICICI Bank would be providing connected banking solutions, both in terms of providing their complete end-to-end solution or ERP solutions for the institute, both in terms of reconciliation and as per the requirements, various type of fees would be there. When we observe at the institute, typically in terms of tuition fee collection or canteen fee collection, or maybe the bookstall, or maybe the vendors which are in the campus. So the complete ecosystem can be managed with both connected banking solutions. And when we look at the institute, when we are managing the institute at the level of both collections and payments, but we are also complete giving the banking solutions to the complete institutes. When we are taking the complete 360 degrees of an institute, right from the salary accounts, right from the employee salary requirement, or a PPF account requirement, or it may be the direct ICICI direct accounts, or fixed deposits, or tax planning solutions, or any loan requirement for the individuals working in the institute, the employees at senior management or regular employees. So we are strong at providing the insurance solutions not only for the individuals working at the institute, but also as the institute level. The institute GI can be provided, general insurance can be provided, which can take care of cyber security parts also. So as a bank, personal banking, investment, loans, complete 360 degrees, what as a bank is providing. Apart from that, in terms of providing retail assets, both in terms of credit cards and debit cards, ICICI Bank is very good in offering and also providing the fast tag and end foreign remittances solution, end-to-end solutions to the institutes. When you look at the total overall offerings from the institute as a bank and digital space, so it is stacked as a stack presentation to the any education institutions. As a bank, we would be completely capturing the ecosystem in terms of providing all the vendor accounts, business accounts, or any ODCC facilities for the vendors which are based upon the institute. This suits to our growth layer. And when we take out the relationship layer or care layer in terms of providing complete end-to-end solutions or connected banking solutions to the institute, and also providing the loans layer to the entities, to the organizations which would be requiring the loans in terms of ODNS fixed deposits or working capital facility or loan against shares or providing education loans to the students who are studying this education in these education institutions. When you look at the payments and the collection layer, it's very strong at providing both collections and payment solutions, and also providing vendor accounts or the collection accounts to the various vendors spread across the institute. So this makes provides complete solutions for your needs in terms of education ecosystem. Looking forward to shape your digital banking needs while you shape up the youngs and bright minds. So these are the complete solutions as a bank would like to offer. And any inquiries, our relationship managers are spread across the country, and every branch we are tied up as the IB team, institutional banking team, a separate dedicated department which will be taking care of education sector from ICICI Bank. So one can reach out to this any branch of ICICI Bank across the country and inquire about this type of solutions. This can be offered to the institutes as per the requirement of the institutes. So once again, thank you for this providing this opportunity. And any queries are there, you can reach out to gip@icicbank.com or any branch of ICICI Bank, where our relationship managers can be met and take these requirements forward. So thank you, and thank you, Gautam garu, for providing this opportunity.
Thank you very much, Mr. Ravinder Punugotu, who is the regional head for TASC wing in ICICI Bank in the state of Telangana, for sharing those initiatives of the largest private bank in India, ICICI Bank, in the education sector. So we would, on behalf of the state government of Telangana and Indian Media Network, as a token of gesture, we would like to present speaker certificate to the team of ICICI Bank, Mr. Ravinder Ponugotu team, Lakshmi Saroja.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for joining us.